Amidst the controversy surrounding the tragic death of two Ateneo basketball athletes, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, has confirmed their cause of death, which happened during a team-building activity at the resort in Dapakulao, Aurora. The authorities ruled out foul play, but the investigation on the possible liability of the coaching staff continues, as Ryan Lisigas tells us the full report.
The Philippine National Police, or PNP, has released its finding on the cause of death of basketball athlete Rene Batermonia. Based on the medical legal examination, Batermonia died of asphyxia by drowning. Following a backtracking investigation, the PNP determined that the group's team-building activity began at a resort in Barangay Libis, Dapakulao, Aurora at around 2:30 p.m. on Monday, June 8. Authorities said the water level in the area where the training was being conducted was only waist deep. However, Batermonia and fellow basketball athlete Divine Adili were allegedly swept away by the strong undertow. It took rescuers nearly 40 minutes to recover the bodies of the two victims, which were found only about 10 meters away from the shoreline. The PNP reiterated that there is no indication of foul play in the deaths of the two athletes. Investigators said that based on the sworn statements of MDRRMO personnel and lifeguards who responded to the incident, no weights or other objects used as weights were found on any part of the victims' bodies. However, authorities said the investigation is still ongoing.
Yung pong unang initial na result ng ating investigasyon nga, narinig nyo naman sa ating provincial director, na they're ruling out foul play. And as to the negligence of anybody or yung liability po ng kasino mang partido, ay ito po'y malalaman natin once the investigation has been completed.
According to the PNP, investigators are now looking into the possible liability of the coaching staff. Authorities said that upon the group's arrival at the resort, staff members had already identified the safe area of the sea. However, the coaching staff allegedly requested that they not be interfered with during their activity.
Base po sa resort management, sila po ay ando po sila sa may tabing dagat at hindi po nila pinapakialaman yung activity kasi nga po humihingi yung grupo ng maging private yung lakad nila. Kaya po hindi po natin masasabi kung ano po nangyari sa kanila doon sa may tabing dagat.
Batermonia, 19, was known as a cheerful young athlete with big dreams for the future. At a young age, he had already shown exceptional talent in basketball. In 2025, he led the Davao Region Eagles to their first ever basketball gold medal at the 2025 Palarong Pambansa. He was also a member of the Philippine boys basketball team that competed in the 14th ASEAN School Games held in Brunei.
Wala pong magiging takipan, kagaya po ng sinabi natin, everything will be made transparent, ilalabas po ang resulta ng investigation.
The PNP assured the public that the investigation is far from over and that authorities continue to gather all possible evidence to fully determine the circumstances surrounding the incident. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.